There's a new way to look at the world. Attach your FLIR ONE camera to your phone or tablet, launch the FLIR ONE app, and prepare to explore all sorts of capabilities. One of the things that makes the FLIR ONE camera so unique is its MSX technology. MSX gives your images more detail and context than you would get from the thermal image. Keep in mind, MSX requires light to work and should be at least 1 meter away from the object you're looking at for optimal alignment. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the ability to snap an image. Or, if you'd like, slide the switch to the video setting and start capturing video. Tap on the icon in the upper left for further settings and functions, such as turning on your camera's flashlight to increase MSX functionality in low light situations. To turn your spot meter on or off, tap the target icon located at the top of your screen. If your alignment is off, you can manually recalibrate by pressing and holding your finger on the live image. Once the bar appears, use the slider until the images are properly aligned. Whether you're taking a still image or video, you can select from many different color palettes at any time by simply swiping the screen left or right. For scenes with low heat contrast, like a wall with missing insulation or a leaky roof, the lava palette helps by using colors to show varying temperatures. The hot and cold palette simply intensifies the hottest and coldest places in a scene. It calculates the total temperature contrast in a scene and colorizes the hottest parts in red and the coldest parts in blue. Now let's say you have a high contrast scene. The iron palette uses select colors to show the rich varied temperatures of a scene without overwhelming your eye with too much color. After you've captured an image or video, you can retrieve it from your FLIR ONE by clicking the thermal photo located in the bottom left corner of your screen. There's a lot more to the world than what meets the eye, and FLIR ONE is your portal to things unseen. How much you discover is in your hands. FLIR ONE. See the heat.